Here I'm showing you another plate, and all of this was done by one single graver, either onglet number 1 or, emphasizing the word or with a number 2 onglet right-sided graver. And all this was done by hand and not machine stamped, and not using a rubber mold and somebody just cutting over the designs. This was all achieved on one simple graver, and this was what the plate actually looked like originally. Very simple, full of little itty bitty holes, and this is what I'm going to achieve in about an hour of cutting. As you can see, it has no rhyme or reason. It's just a little flat plate on a shellac stick with 4 lines. Then I'm going to change that into this little beautiful item. When this is done, I'm going to put some cubic zirconia in each of those holes. Underneath the beads, I'm going to use a 156C and make a small bearing cut, so the stone will be sitting inside, and in between those little spots of beads I'm going to burnish them down with a bead burnisher, and it look like they're hand raised beads, but they're not going to be. And you could see how I've separated each of those holes by using a small bud burr, number 005 bud burr. And I'm going to, here on the top line, I even used a mill grain edge just to make it more distinct. And this is what I call diamond setting. This is the epitome of using a bright cutting tool, either onglet number 1 or number 2. I think this is good work. So the next videos I'm going to be making are how I achieve this.